Denver bicycle accident lawyer. Cyclists are vulnerable to serious injuries in a bicycle accident with a motor vehicle. If you have been injured in a bike accident caused by a negligent driver, you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries and losses. Contact Front Range Injury Attorneys for a free case review. Cycling is a growing part of Colorado's transportation infrastructure, as cities like Denver and Boulder expand cycling infrastructure. Unfortunately, many drivers do not follow the rules of the road to safely share the road with cyclists. As a result, cyclists are at a high risk for catastrophic injuries in a collision with a motor vehicle. Our Denver bicycle accident lawyers help cyclists recover maximum compensation for their medical bills, lost earnings, and injuries. Why trust Front Range Injury Attorneys? Why you need a bicycle accident attorney in Denver. Insurance companies often treat bicycle accident victims poorly. Negligent drivers often tell their insurance company you caused the accident by cycling unsafely. Adjusters use those statements to blame injured cyclists partially or fully for the collision. They will offer you little or outright deny your claim. Insurance companies act like if a car hits you while cycling, it's your fault for being on the road in the first place. If you suffer injuries in a bicycle accident with a motor vehicle caused by the driver's negligence, your personal injury claim is no different from a claim involving two drivers. You can recover for your medical bills, lost earnings, pain, and suffering, as well as the long-term effects of your injuries. Our Denver bicycle accident lawyers help clients recover the maximum compensation available for their case. Who is liable for a bike collision under Colorado law? Liability for a bike collision in Colorado follows the same legal rules as other collisions. Traffic laws and bicycling infrastructure in Colorado exist to make roads safe for everybody. Drivers and cyclists have a duty to follow the law and exercise reasonable care. A negligent driver who fails to follow the rules of the road may be held liable for injuries or wrongful death caused by the bike collision. Colorado is a fault state or tort state for auto negligence claims. After a bicycle accident, the negligent party is responsible for the victim's damages. The primary car insurance coverage applicable to a bicycle accident will be the injury liability coverage. This pays on the negligent driver's behalf for your economic losses, like medical bills and lost wages, as well as your non-economic losses such as pain and suffering. As a fault state, it is up to the victim to prove fault. Your bicycle accident attorney at Front Range Injury Attorneys will conduct an investigation and assert the driver's duty to make you whole for your damages. Common causes of bicycle accidents in Colorado. In Colorado, motor vehicles share the road with cyclists, which may include bike lanes, intersecting bike paths, and occupying the same lane as cars. Unfortunately, drivers do not always exercise the appropriate caution while driving and cause bicycle accidents. Common causes for bicycle accidents in Denver and other parts of Colorado include drivers failing to yield turns across occupied bike lanes, drunk drivers, distracted driving, failure to maintain a safe distance from bicycles, failing to observe bikes on the road, opening doors to parked cars in front of cyclists, speeding, running stop signs or red lights, failing to yield the right-of-way to cyclists. According to a bicycle crash analysis conducted by Denver, the most common causes of bicycle accidents included failing to yield the right-of-way and careless driving. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, reports more than 20 deaths in Colorado bike accidents each year. More than a third of fatal bicycle crashes involve alcohol. Common injuries in a bicycle accident: traumatic brain injuries, broken and fractured bones, spinal cord injuries, scarring and disfigurement, damage to major joints such as shoulders, hips, knees, and elbows. The Denver bicycle accident lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys help clients get the medical treatment they need and fight to get maximum compensation for their injuries. What damages can you recover for your bicycle accident injuries? Damages in a personal injury case mean the harm you suffered as a result of your injuries. Your economic damages are the financial costs of your accident. Your non-economic damages include the intangible aspects of your injuries. Our Denver bike accident attorneys will fully investigate your case to determine all available damages and evaluate their worth. Contact our Denver bicycle accident lawyers today. Our Denver bicycle accident lawyers have helped thousands of clients with bike accident and other personal injury claims. We have the knowledge and resources to help you get back on your feet and fight for the compensation you deserve.